What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy OG Wavy, back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna talk about how to fix your weak sides, left, right, back, head or metal. Just pay attention to the details. You gotta find your own ways how to brush it. You can use I use vertical, so vertical helped me a lot. Horizontal depends. If it's on top, I use horizontal. If it's on the side, I use vertical. So I divide my hair like in 3 parts, you know what I'm saying? Like 8 angles, then the edges, and then I go on the side, the bottom. I brush anywhere that I got hair, I brush it. So let's get to work. As you can see, I'm working on my connection still. Just want to show you guys. Still gotta work here on this side. Well, the rest looks fine. Still working on it. Just want you guys to see, you know, what I'm working with. So what I'm doing is, this right here, I'm letting my hair grow so I could be able to get wave. And right here too, this is my weak side, the bottom, and right here. But from the back, right here's my weak side, so I'm letting all this hair right here grow. I'm gonna get a lower taper like right here, so my hair can grow, so I can be able to get the wave all the way down. And right here, this inside, gotta let my hair, all these right here, I gotta let it grow. That's my weak side at the bottom. So I gotta tell my barber, like, you know what I'm saying? Just let it grow for now. So just gonna show you how I do my weak side. This is a medium. I cut my hair with a 2.5. But next time I'll go with a 3, cause it's too low for me. I got medium hair, so my hands get really thin when I cut my hair. So and me, I'm gonna show you the way I do my hair. Everybody got their own ways. I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. Alright, right there's good. Focus on the bottom only. I got a fork there, and I'm taking the fork out. Finally, took me a while, but you just gotta know your hair, you know what I'm saying? You gotta study your hair. You see how I'm using my brush? Look at the way I'm holding my brush. I'm going downward, behind my ear, going downward. That way the wave could go like this. Up, you see? Up. That's what I do. You gotta brush all your hair, you know what I'm saying? From top to bottom. And look what you're doing. Don't just go crazy brushing, just take your time, man. Take your time with it. I know you wanna show you waves and shit, but take your time with it. It's gonna come. See, right here downward, then over here, front of my ear, I go forward. Still aiming, you know. See, I get close to the crown. Get close, but not too close. I take my time with it. Right here, straightforward. I find my own trick with the brush, so you gotta find your own ways how to get comfortable with the brush. See? Right there. Still working on my crown. You see the connections? I'm not there yet, I'm still, you know what I'm saying? Still aiming. Still working on it. It takes time. It takes time when you get there. The reason why I brush like this, because I feel more comfortable, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of guys, they brush with the giving you back, but I'm not there yet. Still learning. I gotta be able to see it. So let me see. Go to this side. Look at my brush. I'm just using this. This is all I'm using right here. Right here. That's all I'm using. Pay attention to your hair. It's downward, you know? I'm not going forward like this. I'm not doing it like this. I'm doing it like this. It's different. If you do it like this, it's gonna go forward. If you do it downward like this, it's gonna go 360. That's what I'm doing. Just doing the weak side. This video is about the weak side. Take your time, let your hair grow, so you can get more definition to it. In front of my ear. See, it's front of my ear right there. You think it's fair with the brushing section? Just go on top of your ear. On top of your ear, now you go. Use a medium brush. If you coarse hair, apply the same brush, medium. Different hair don't matter. You use the same. Medium goes with everything. And go forward again, because you want to be able to connect them. Just brush a couple of minutes, man. It will kill you. Otherwise, makes your waves flow better. You know what I'm saying? You can see mines. You see? Gotta let my hand grow. I'll get there. Eventually I'll get there. Just want to show you guys a pattern. Unshift them. Mine used to be, on slants, it used to be like a 540. But at least you know what I'm saying? This is a motivation video. Don't get discouraged. Just keep doing your thing. You're just trying to perfect your hair. You already know my pattern, so it might look easy, but you know, it took me time to learn my pattern. But I'm here. Do the brush session real quick while with you. I'm here with you guys. Let me do a brush section. I'm not gonna make this video far, but let me do a brush session real quick. See? I go from the crown down. You see? From the crown. That's how my hair grows, so I'm going with my hair. A little crumble real quick. Still letting my hair grow my crown, so I'm gonna be able to perfect my crown. Still working on my crown. Alright guys, that's it. I'm saying I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave your comments below, give me a thumbs up. Follow me, I just started, you know what I'm saying, been waiting for 1 year. I just finally got my, you could say not perfected, but at least I know what I'm doing already. I could be able to help guys with medium hair texture. It don't matter, coarse hair, straight hair, it don't matter, we all want to get waves. If you're in the wave game, I'm trying to be in the wave game, trying to come on, trying to show people my skills and show my hair and show my style. So, leave the comments, OG Wavy.